Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we're talking about the gut feeling is never wrong. Woman finds out boyfriend was cheating on her through Postmates delivery app. So it's not the first time we've heard of a story like this, but I love stories like this. They are hilarious. Where the girlfriend or the boyfriend is checking on their significant other through the driver of whatever delivery app they're ordering from. That said, however, there are a lot of varying opinions on this, and the headline, while it does seem a little arrogant, it does hold a certain truth. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers, customers, significant others apparently, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A woman reveals on TikTok how her friend caught her boyfriend cheating on Postmates. In a TikTok with over 1.6 million views as of Saturday, content creator Sarah at Sarsland reveals just how her friend used the food delivery app to confirm her boyfriend's infidelity. The things you do for content, huh? I'm going to leave our TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. Can we just talk for a second on how we don't want to take ownership of the actions that they're taking? And I'm not saying that it was definitely her, she's lying about it. Why are we trying to deflect like that? Her friend caught her boyfriend cheating. Why are you trying to deflect the fact that you didn't trust your boyfriend? It's okay to feel that way. Come on.
Joe, that just shows the girl's got trust issues.
Hey man, I got trust issues. The hell you mean?
So this girl I know found out she got cheated on because one day she was just ordering Postmates for her and her boyfriend on his phone, and she realized that the last saved address was an address she did not recognize. Like, it was not his address, it was not hers.
That is the equivalent to not clearing your browser history right there, especially if you are a cheating boyfriend or girlfriend.
What's going on? There's so much. What the hell are you doing looking at my private? What are you talking about, private? Johnny, it was wide open.
Now that also said, if it's like a work or a place you did work or something like that, then that's just paranoia. But still, this is a literal other person's place, according to the headline, apparently.
So she goes to his order history. The last time he had ordered was a week prior when she was out of town.
Ah, the classic boyfriend cheating on girlfriend when girlfriend's out of town routine.
Classic.
You know what the problem is with cheating boyfriends and girlfriends? None of them are original about it. Then again, how many original ways can you really go about it? Not too many, but seriously, I wonder why they always get caught.
She was like, whose address is this? And he was like, oh, just this guy from work.
Okay, quick note for a second, and I hate saying it like this because I'm not trying to say that it's not okay to tell somebody else's story. Heck, this channel has a bunch of stories that are not directly mine and just from an outside perspective in. Why are you saying it like this isn't your own story? Why do I feel like I'm watching somebody who had this firsthand experience, who had felt the pain of loss of the cheating boyfriend, of the cheating girlfriend, and aren't representing themselves? Like, why is that the case? Why are we running it through this filter of, oh, this was my friends that had this issue, my friend said this?
You can say anything you want.
Okay, well, there is something that's been kind of gnawing at me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this friend of mine...
Your friend.
Yeah, a friend.
He was like, oh, just this guy from work. We went over to his house after work last week to play video games while you were out of town.
Oh, so apparently they're trying to gender switch the entire situation. This isn't a girlfriend's house. This is a guy friend's house.
He was like, since when have you ever hung out with somebody from work? I was like, whatever, just try to let it go, move on. But over time, she just had this gut feeling that something was so off. So what did she decide to do? She pulled up on the house. She literally went to this house, knocked on the door. This girl opens the door and she's like, hi, I'm so-and-so's girlfriend. Like, do you know him? This girl was like, his girlfriend? What? Yes, I know him. We work together. Basically tells her that they had been hooking up for months and had no idea that he had a girlfriend or anything.
You see, this is exactly why I would just own the entire situation. Stop running it through this filter of some friend of yours that happens to be a girl's boyfriend cheated on her through this person. Just say you got cheated on. We all know the drill at this point. Like, who are you trying to protect? Why are you trying to protect them?
Anyone tell me about a time when a girl's intuition has ever been wrong?
This is a hot take for a second, but there are a significant number of reasons where intuition of sorts is going to be wrong. But the fact of the matter is that 9 times out of 10, if you got a bad feeling, you gotta trust that feeling too. Maybe it's not cheating, maybe it's something else, but either way, it's okay to investigate that stuff. Hey, maybe he wasn't cheating, maybe he was going there because he's got a drinking problem, or there's some other issue that he's not telling you about. Secrets are what breaks relationships, so I've been told. In the comment section, users shared their own experiences with unfaithful partners and the power of the woman's intuition. I had a dream my ex was cheating on me. Ended up being true, one user wrote. Oh, no. Oh, that's not intuition. That's nonsense. I feel like I see this crap on TikTok way too often. There has to be some level of truth to it where a girlfriend will be mad at the boyfriend that the boyfriend cheated on her in her dream, and suddenly that makes him like this horrible human being. Like, it just seems like you're looking for a fight at that point. That's not intuition. I found out when he asked me to connect his phone to Bluetooth, and Erica's Audi was recently connected, another user shared. Okay, that's just stupid. Why would you connect your phone to another girl's car when you know damn well that you are cheating? Like, really? I found out from Uber. He ordered her one at 3 a.m. Came a third user's comment. The gut feeling is never wrong, a fourth user declared. Well, that dream one seemed pretty wrong, not gonna lie. This isn't the first time an app has exposed a partner's infidelity. The Daily Dot previously reported on a woman who found out her husband was cheating on her by looking at his running maps on the fitness app Strava. Content creator Megan at Meg C. McGee explained how she used the app to learn that her husband would begin his runs from their home and end at another woman's house. Another interesting one that I thought this article was going to go into the direction of is using the Uber driver specifically to take pictures of the driveway or something like that, and actually just paying for like a drink at Wendy's. People actually have used Doordash that way, to where a Doordash driver would pick up an order, and in the drop-off instructions, hey, I'm checking if my boyfriend's cheating on me. Can you just take a picture of the driveway or something like that? I want to see if my boyfriend's car is there. And you can keep the drink, you can keep the food. I thought that was the direction this was going. But no, apparently the guy's just stupid. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. Then you pay me. There you go. I'm a little annoyed at the way this story was told. Like, it's not her being cheated on, it's her friend being cheated on. And there's such a strong first person presence in this. Like, you could tell, like, she's trying to give a first person POV from her friend's point of view. So in my opinion, it's one of two things. It's either her experience and she doesn't want to say it's her experience, or it's not an experience at all and it's totally fabricated. It also wouldn't surprise me either. Look, I'm not gonna lie, some of these girls pickers are not so good at picking. Brain surgeon, apparently, based on the way this is being told, ordered food from an app and never cleared his history. Like, you gotta cover your tracks better than that. Or, you know, just don't cheat on your significant other. Like, that's always the better option, in my opinion. But then again, what is loyalty anymore, right? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!